and I'd like to introduce this tour. My name's James, this is Joe, he's driving us, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to Germany.
The lovable. I'll get this.
Mate, what did you do? Why did you do it?
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Open it. What have you done?
I promise, I didn't do anything. Is that okay?
Watch this.
Yes!
Hello.
On tour, Sam Kinch and I, at one time or another, will perform an arse chug.
I believe his name is Sam. This van.
Yeah, here comes the aeroplane.
Can't be too fucking careful, can ya?
Where are we now?
Wow. Stratford. I don't know, somewhere in France. 8 in the morning. Le Boulouf Jardin Restaurant. A little bit better than Clackett Lane, isn't it?
Where are we staying tonight?
Dan's.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Sam.
Life in a van, right? You drink beer and then a bottom pops, and this is what happens. We all pop off.
Hello. Are you alive?
Hello. Meet the team.
Hello.
This is Harrison.
Daniel. Nice to meet you.
This is James. This is Sam. He's looking cool.
Cool.
This is Lewis. This is Brandon, as you know.
Yes. This one I've met before. Okay.
Links, ja.
Links und rechts.
Oder rechts. En de ene staat zo links.
Yeah, I think you're really...